33.5 gallons. She's a thirsty old girl. We're gonna get over here to Tokerville and get this car moved, and then I just got a call from somebody that I know that works for Water Conservancy District, and he invited me up to come look at the diversion. So I'll take you up there and let you check out where we get all our water from in Washington County. And these boys run a hard gig, working hard to keep our water flowing. So we'll take you up there and show you what that's all about.
Yeah, this was a good spot, but they eliminated, look beyond the dam, you can see how deep it is. They lost a lot of water storage by raising the elevation of the dam as high.
So it may not look it, but there's a lot of water running down that river right now. Believe it or not. See, it's flowing pretty good. You laid that block wall up where that block goes. Well, the flood must have gone down since it was this morning. It's way lower. That's kind of scary. Oh, that makes me dizzy. Yeah. There it is. All comes over there. All right, well, we're down on the structure right now, just looking at what's going on. Kind of noisy. Are you lifting the gate way up today? Well, this is quite the project. They're redoing the hydraulic lines on all the rams, and they're able to lift this gate and let a little bit of water sluice, and it's a highly regulated process they're doing here. But they're up 2%, and then they have to wait and go another 2%. It's pretty amazing watching that water run out of there. Unbelievable. Amazing. You want to come with me? Here's the top side. See that? Running now. Yeah. So we're clear. But those plugs don't necessarily ever get plugged, right? I mean, they get plugged all the time. That's why that back one's good. All right, well, the gates are all the way up now. They're letting that flush, and they're replacing that hydraulic oil over to food grade, more environmentally friendly oil. So they'll get this all done up, get the gate dropped again, and start collecting water for next summer's irrigation. And you can smell the mud now, though. It stinks. There it is. That is the diversion in Virgin on the Virgin River for all of Washington County's water. What an amazing feat of engineering marvel that is. And the crew that's down there working those gates and collecting our water and doing all the maintenance. Bunch of hard-working folks. So thanks to them for everything they do to keep things rolling. It could be a lot worse without their hard work. So there it is. You've seen it. We've seen it. Leon's seen it his whole life.
I was an annoying kid when all that construction of that was going on, and I've seen that project from the inside out, from riding my bike inside that pipe in the dark, to the construction of the dam, to jumping off the dam and swimming in the river. I mean, just all kinds of crazy stuff. It was a fun place to grow up.
So when Leon was a kid, they were just constructing that, and there's a 72-inch pipe that runs from that diversion dam all the way to town. And Leon used to get on his pedal bike in the dark and ride from the Virgin diversion all the way to Laverkin. And sometimes he'd get in trouble because you'd be busting down through there in the dark. You can't see anything in front of you, you're just going for it. And they'd get down to a spot and there'd be a welder or a bunch of construction equipment laying in the bottom of it, and he'd eat it and clean himself up and get to the other side of it and keep on going again. But always fun to hear those old stories about the construction of these projects over the years. That's all you got?
Yep.
Well, good morning. Bright and early on a Sunday morning, and we're headed out to Sand Hollow State Park to load up the Nodwell. Got to bring it into town and do a little maintenance on it, and it's just been resting out here. Never did come and get it after all the big events, but that girl's worth its weight in gold to me. It sure gets the job done and does it right every time. So we're gonna get out here and get it loaded up on the old Duramax and the gooseneck flatbed. Got the dog with me today. Everybody else decided they wanted to just chill at the house, so got to go pre-run a trail for the winter 4x4 jamboree this morning as well. So we're gonna try to go get that done after we get the Nodwell out of here, and we'll take you along for the ride today. All right, we made it through the entrance there without getting in trouble, and the dog is excited. She got a treat even. They gave her a treat at the entrance, so she's super excited about life. All right, the beast is loaded. Takes about 10 or 12 minutes, no big deal.